Former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai has left the All Progressive Congress (APC) and joined the Social Democratic Party (SDP). He announced his decision on Facebook on Monday, the 10th of March 2025. El-Rufai was one of the founding fathers of the APC and helped the party win elections in 2015, 2019, and 2023. However, he said he's no longer happy with the party's leadership. He explained that the APC does not follow the progressive values he believes in. He also said that he had tried to raise concerns about the problems in the party, but the leaders ignored him. El-Rufai said he spoke with his mentors, colleagues, and supporters before deciding to join the SDP. He believes that the SDP is a better platform to bring positive changes to Nigeria. He also invited other opposition leaders to join him and work together to challenge the APC in the upcoming elections. El-Rufai wants the SDP to become a strong party that can win elections and improve the country. He urged Nigerians to join him in making Nigeria a better place. We'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.